Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
BPS is one of the first clubs in Goa to introduce pickleball. Pickleball is a upcoming sport, and we have been getting a lot of demand from our members as well as non-members who want to play pickleball, and not much facilities are available for pickleball in Goa. So now BPS, after the inauguration of these two courts, will be the only club in Goa to have 3 pickleball courts. We are also having a first All Goa BPS Open tournament in the month of Jan. Our secretary Mangirish, who is the organizing president for the tournament, will give you details on the tournament. Again, I'm thankful to Ernesto Muniz and our another senior member Agnel Bab to coming here to inaugurate the courts.
So friends, as you know that BPS Sports Club has been pioneer in developing talent. We have developed talent not only at state level or national level, but there have been international athletes that have trained at BPS Sports Club. Now this sport has got no age. We have people from the age of say under 15 right up to 80 years playing pickleball. So now we throw open this state-of-art facility of pickleball here at BPS Sports Club.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to BPS Sports Club management for these pickleball courts, which is the much needed right now in Goa. It's a very fast upcoming sport. There are more than almost 18,000 players all over India now playing this sport. And being a part of IPA, I can tell you, this is probably the fastest growing sport, and you will see a lot of members that get added to this club, at least by virtue of this sport alone. Look forward, very happy that the All Goa tournament is happening very soon in BPS. In fact, I would like to talk also going forward with the committee to see if we can hold a straight ranking tournament and maybe even an All India pickleball tournament here, because the facilities are very good.